EETV box overheating is a common problem that affects thousands of users. Understanding why it happens and how to fix it immediately can save your device and restore smooth performance. When your EETV box overheats, internal temperatures can reach critical levels above 65 degrees Celsius. This excessive heat damages components and causes the performance issues you experience. Several warning signs indicate your EETV box is overheating. These include frequent freezing or crashing, automatic restarts, sluggish menu navigation, audio and video stuttering, and a noticeably hot exterior casing. Overheating occurs due to several factors: inadequate ventilation from enclosed cabinets, dust accumulation, high ambient temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius, continuous operation, and hardware degradation all contribute to the problem. The immediate solution is proper ventilation. Ensure your EETV box has at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides and 4 inches above for heat dissipation. This allows air to flow freely around the device. Never place your EETV box in enclosed cabinets or stack other devices on top. Position it horizontally on an open shelf, away from heat sources like radiators and direct sunlight. Keep room temperature below 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Use air conditioning during hot weather to maintain optimal operating conditions for your EETV box. By implementing these immediate solutions, proper ventilation, correct placement, and temperature control, you can quickly resolve overheating issues and restore your EETV box to optimal performance. Long-term cooling success starts with establishing a regular cleaning protocol. Monthly maintenance is essential for preventing dust buildup that blocks airflow and causes overheating. Every 3 months, perform a deeper cleaning routine. This quarterly maintenance involves more thorough cleaning of internal components and may require professional service for optimal results. For active cooling, USB-powered cooling pads designed for set-top boxes provide excellent long-term temperature control. Choose models that operate quietly under 25 decibels to avoid interfering with your audio experience. Software optimization plays a crucial role in long-term temperature management. Enable automatic standby modes to reduce heat generation during idle periods, and schedule regular restarts to clear memory and reset system processes. Prevention is always better than reaction. By prioritizing proper initial setup, implementing regular maintenance schedules, and monitoring environmental conditions, you can significantly extend your EETV box lifespan and maintain optimal performance year-round.